Alright, so this is for fourth generation Honda Odyssey. If you want to replace your you have an oil leak for your cam solenoid, so to remove this cam solenoid, you gotta remove this wire, right? And this wire here all the way here, so you gotta remove this plug. I already removed them just to show you, right? So there's plug here removed, and also there's one here wire from the battery. It's right here. You have to unscrew the battery first, and then you can remove it, but make sure take the negative out first before you can do this thing. And unscrew it, take the battery wire, take this positive wire, and it's run from the bottom. Just pull it like that, right? And there's more wire here for the oxygen sensor, the bottom here, you have to let go. And for your coil here, you have to let go. And after that, you just pull it out like this, right? And then get yourself a bungee cord like this to hold the wire out of the way, right? So now it's clear. Now you have access for the bolts, and also you have to remove this bracket here, right? Let's do that. Okay, now so once the wire is up there, all you have to do is just unscrew the bracket. One here, and one over here. So basically there's three or four bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts that we have to remove. Okay, so actually the bolt in the middle, it's for the solenoid, so you don't really have to take that out. But after all the bolt is removed, just shake it sideways and pull, and it should pull out like that. As you can see, now it's off. So make sure you take the O-ring or seals. Make sure you wipe the excess oil. As you can see, after you get the cylinder out, there's another plate here, a stainless steel plate that you have to remove. There's another seal in the bottom. As you can see, that's where the also leaking the oil. So here's the plate that I'm talking about. It's a stainless steel. So carefully pry it a little bit until it come out. So here's the layout of the solenoid that's sandwiched together. So here's your bottom seal. On top of this seal is the stainless steel, and then after the stainless steel, this is your seal for your solenoid over here. So this is the first O-ring. I temporarily put a seal on here. Until I order a proper gasket. And next is the solenoid O-ring. So that's the bottom seal. Make sure you don't put the sealant on the top yet until you put the seal onto the engine. Once you put the seal on the engine, then you can put the one at the top. so that it won't create a mess. So put the sealant on the bottom, put the seal, and then put the sealant on the top. So I put the sealant on the top, the bottom first, and then put it into the solenoid, like so. And then once you put the sealant on the bottom, now you can put the sealant on the top. Now the top is done. Just make sure don't put so much sealant in here, because you don't want your sealant go into your VTEC system, right? Especially there's a small hole there, you might clog it, right? There's a small hole here, and just make sure that you don't put too much sealant and it will go into your oil lines. Just keep in mind on that. Make sure you clean the plate thoroughly, clean with the alcohol, and then after that you can put it back. Like so. So let's put this into the car. So let's put it into the car slowly. Like so. Put our bolt back. And keep in mind, don't drive your car right away. If you can, let it sit for the whole night, or at least minimum 1 hour. But if you can, the whole night would be better. Alright, so now it's done. Everything is in place. So the rest is just reverse. Put the wire back and should ready to go. Thank you for watching.